Okay, so what we got here is a Hunter, I think it's a Berkshire estate, if I am correct. Someone said that. Anyways, I bought this fan off Marketplace for $10. The seller got rid of it because it had some issues, which you can kind of see. The CFL light bulbs are flickering, even though the fan is off. And the fan is on this very fancy remote, but the only speed that works on it is high speed. So I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah, I'm gonna turn on the light. There. Quite difficult. There we go. But yeah, I know the fan might look, the texture of the fan might look like it's painted, but no, it does have the original oak side blades and stuff like that. Also, the blades are warped in all different kind of directions. So, yeah, it is unfortunate, but what can you really do? Here, wait. There we go. This is the only speed that works, so I'll just show it on high speed. The remote's also pretty glitchy. It's also pretty wobbly. But yeah, this isn't just the other fan. Like, I bought two the same day, not from different sellers. Here's the other one. I think it's a Concord builder. But yeah. Pretty wobbly. But yeah. It's really rattly too. But yeah, if I turn it down like a speed, it doesn't work anymore. Here, wait. Let me turn it back to high. But yeah, it's really weird. I don't understand why. And then I guess there's like a demo mode. So yeah, I guess I'll just, here, wait. But yeah, so here's demo mode, I guess. So yeah, you can kind of see that the speeds aren't working anymore. It just stops on high. Very weird. But yeah, this fan has a lot of issues. I don't know if I can fix them, but yeah, this fan's definitely worth keeping. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.